Hello students, today I am starting chapter second. The title of this chapter is the tiger. Firstly, I am giving the word meaning of this chapter. Word meaning number one, frame means structure. Second one is symmetry means proportion, balance. Third one is distant means far away. Fourth one is deeps means deep sea. Fifth one is thine means yours. Sixth one is aspire means aim for. Seventh one is siege means hold. Eighth one is sinews means muscles. Ninth one is dread means dreadful. Tenth one is furnace means oven, heating place. 11th one is anvil means a tool used by a blacksmith. 12th one is deadly means dangerous. 13th one is clasp means hold tightly. 14th one is immortal means never dying. After writing the word meaning, I am explaining the chapter of second, the tiger. Firstly, I am reading the first stanza. The poet of this poem is William Blake. About the poet William Blake is very wonderful and genius poet. He wrote many poems. One of the poem is taken from of his books, and here given the tiger, a small poem but a very wonderful poem. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night, what immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? Here the poet William Blake is describing the quality of the tiger, how he created by the God, and William Blake is describing again the tiger which lives in the forest, and the tiger hunts by night, is a fearful creature whose burning bright eyes and strong muscles are created with a proportion and balance that only be done by God who is immortal. जो भगवान अमर है, उसने इस प्रकार के एक भयानक और बहुत ही विशालकाय एनिमल टाइगर कृष्णा की है. द टाइगर इंस्पायर्स फियर इन ऑल हु सी इट. जो कोई भी टाइगर को देखता है वह डर जाता है, because the tiger is a fearful creature. The word immortal gives the reader a clue. Here the poet William Blake is giving a clue. The word immortal means the person who never dies, means only one person, only God, because God never dies and everybody are mortal. In this second stanza, in what distant deeps or sky burnt the fire of thine eyes? On what wings dare we aspire? What the hand dare seize the fire? Here William Blake again describe the stanza number second about the tiger. He wonders in what faraway places the tiger was made. किस स्थान पर या कितनी दूर स्थान पर इस टाइगर का भगवान ने क्रिएशन किया है. बिकॉज गॉड इज अ क्राफ्ट्समैन, मे बी रेफरिंग दैट these place cannot be reached by any mortal, because any mortal person cannot reach this person where only the God reached. Its glowing eyes must have a fire. इसकी चमकती हुई लाल लाल आंखें, ऐसा लगता है कि मानो इसकी आंखों से आग निकल रही हो. Watch brought from either heaven or hell. और उसकी आंखों की ज्वाला, रोशनी, तेज जो कि या तो स्वर्ग से या नरक से ली गई है. Who can dare to get the fire from there but God himself? भगवान के अलावा इसकी आंखों का सामना, इसका तेज का सामना, जो इसका डेंजरस है, फियरफुल है, इसका सामना और कौन कर सकता है. नंबर 3 स्टेंजा. एंड what shoulder and what art could twist the sinew of thy heart, and when thy heart began to beat, who dread hand and what dread fit? Here the poet is asking, when the tiger's heart began to beat, who could make such a frightening and evil animal? Who but God could create the muscles of the tiger's powerful heart? इस प्रकार की भयानक और पावरफुल एनिमल का सामना कौन कर सकता है? Who can dare of this powerful and dangerous animal in the forest or in the world? Maybe only God can dare. He can challenge of this tiger because he is the craftsman of this animal. What the hammer, what the chain, in what furnace, watch thy brain, what the anvil, what dead grasp, dare its deadly terrors clasps. Here the poet William Blake is asking some questions. Who can create the tiger? He is saying immortal. Immortal here a clue given from the God. Here God is immortal, but he is asking some questions. Which tools has to take the God to create the animals of the tiger? So maybe the poet is referring that the God has taken the tools like iron smith, the chain, furnace, anvil, because only iron smith used this type of powerful tools. When the stars threw down their spears and watered heaven with their tears, did he smile his work to see? Did he who made the lamb make thee? Here the poet describes next stanza. He is asking some questions. The two questions, first one is, did he smile his work to see? क्या भगवान अपने इस प्रकार रचना करने के बाद खुश हैं? क्योंकि here given, did he smile? Here he means the God, and smile क्या वो खुश हैं? Other words, was God happy with his creation? क्या भगवान ने टाइगर को बनाने के बाद बहुत उन्हें खुशी हुई? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, डिड ही हु मेड द लैम्ब मेक दी? क्या भगवान ने जब टाइगर को बनाया फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने लैम्ब को भी बनाया? बिकॉज द टाइगर इज अ very powerful and fearful creature, so he eats only flesh or meat. He doesn't eat other things. So if the God has created the lion, after that he eats only meat, so he kills innocent animals of the forest. So William Blake is asking if the God is responsible for the violence and evil in the world. One side, the God says that we should not violence in the world, we should remove the evils from the world, but one place he has started to violence and evil in this world. Here violence and evil means here means the tiger eats only meat, so he kills innocent animal like lamb or other innocent wild animals. Here the poet doesn't make any statement at any moment. He only asks question which invite the reader to think about. He is asking some question to the readers. Readers means who read this chapter or this poem. So he is asking some question to the reader because reader is asking and reader is also surprising why God create this type fearful animal, those who kills the animals, innocent animals. Finally, the last stanza, the same of the first stanza, tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night, what immortal hand or eye dare frame thy fearful symmetry. So यहाँ पर जो टाइगर का जो सिमेट्री है, टाइगर का जो फियरफुल फ्रेम है, इतना अधिक डेंजरस है. इस पोएम आफ्टर राइटिंग द पोएम द poet William Blake has asked questions, so after reading the poem students can understand what is the questions asked by the poet William Blake and which type we can answer, because God is the craftsman and he is a good craftsman. He has created all the world and all the animals, men and insects, all the nature. So nobody can cross question to God because God is a super craftsman. So I have explained this poem. If any line, any stanza, any word not clear, not understand, you can ask your comment